to my channel. So today I have another wig from WowAfrican, and when I seen this wig and it had its cute little blonde streaks in the front, for some reason I immediately thought half up, half down. So that's the hairstyle that I decided to do today, but of course I'd like to show you guys what the unit looks like. This is what the unit looks like. It did come pre-plucked and pre-bleached, but I did pluck it a little bit more. This one is a 360 unit, so this unit is perfect for pulling up into a ponytail, even though I rarely put my hair up into a ponytail, and it has the removable adjustable straps. So I went ahead and cut the lace off camera, and I'm going to go ahead and just put the unit on, and then I'm actually going to speed through the process of me applying the unit. If you guys want to go ahead and skip to the actual styling of the unit, you can skip to 301. If not, then you can just watch this little sped through process of me applying the unit using, like always, the Got to Be Glue, the clear one. So this is one of the quickest ways that I melt my lace. If you guys want a video, like a detailed video on how I do this, I'll go ahead and leave it down below in the description box, and it should also pop up at the top as like one of the little iCards. And if you guys can tell, this lace is too dark for me, but we're gonna make it work in the end. So the unit is nice and glued on or gelled on, and now we can begin styling. I'm just going to go ahead and pull out the two blonde pieces in the front. Not all of the blonde, just a little bit of it. I'm actually going to leave some of it up into the ponytail, but once I get this nice and straight, or not too straight, honestly, I kind of just pulled it out if you guys seen. But once I get this sectioned out, I'm just going to go ahead and take a little rubber band and get this out of the way so I can pull the top half up into a ponytail, and then I can pull the back half back as well, so I can get that out of the way so that I can get the top ponytail as smooth as possible. So I'm just brushing this hair back to get it into a ponytail so that I can get it out of the way and I don't accidentally pull it up when I do the top ponytail. Now for the top ponytail, first I'm going to go in with this Cream of Nature mousse, and I'm just going to pull it all over and take my brush and just smooth it back and try to get it as flat as possible. You said that I already know we're better when we're alone. I don't know what to say. You don't want to be with me. I don't want to give it up, baby. Is this really what you want? Then I'm gonna get out of your way. You don't want to be with me. I don't want to give it up, baby. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and pull out a few baby hairs and cut them. I don't know why I decided to do them right now at this moment, because I'm not even done with the ponytail yet, but I just went ahead and cut a little baby hair on both sides. And now I'm just going to take my pressing comb and rake it through the ponytail area to get it as flat as possible and to get all the hairs going in the right direction. And then I'm going to take the little wax stick that came with it from WowAfrican, and I'm going to go ahead and smooth this all over the front of the ponytail and then just brush it back and put it in a nice tight pony. So I decided to add a few curls to it. So I'm just going to go ahead and pin this ponytail out of the way. And then I'm going to take my 1-inch barrel Conair Infinity Pro curlers and go ahead and add a few curls all over the back half. Then I'm also going to add some to the ponytail and then 2 little spiral curls to the blonde pieces in the front. So I decided to do like the hairband around the ponytail part. So I'm just taking a piece of hair from the back of the ponytail and just wrapping it around. And then I'm just using some holding spray to hold it in place and get it nice and smooth.
I don't even know I am here. You've been so distant lately, taking your time, losing my mind. Yeah, do I even care anymore? Taking my love for granted, thinking about us turning to dust.
Now I'm just going to break up my curls and I'm just going to use my fingers and rake through them.
No, we're better when we're alone. I don't know what to say. You don't wanna be with me. I don't wanna give it up, baby. Is this really what you want? Then I'ma get out of your way. You don't wanna be with me. I don't wanna give it up, baby.
For the final touches, I'm going to go ahead and do my baby hair slash edges. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of foundation powder and go over the hairline area and the parting area just so I can kind of get the lace to match my skin tone a little bit better. Because again, this one is a little bit too dark for me.
Make me laugh. How you make me lose my mind. You make my life every day. You said that I already know we're better when we're alone. I don't know what to say.
So I think I got it blended down pretty good, you guys, but that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and hit that little notification bell so you're notified every time I post. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one.
Is this really what you want? Then I'ma get out. I don't wanna give it up tonight. I don't wanna give my life to someone else. Go ruin my night. I don't wanna give it up tonight. I don't wanna give my life to someone else. Go ruin my night. Go ruin my night. Go on my night. Thinking about what I would say.